I am Dr. T. N. Ganesh, General Manager, Sales and Marketing, Stalin South Asia Private Limited. Stalin is an affiliate of Fatro Italy. We are having our headquarters in Bombay, and we have got around 16 C&F operations all over India. And I am also in charge of the neighboring countries, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Dubai. And we also export our products to Nigeria, Philippines, and Ghana. We deal with biologicals, that is the inactivated and activated vaccines of Fatro Italy. They are our affiliates with their headquarters in Milan, Italy. We also deal with feed supplements which are manufactured in our in-house factory at Vasai, and we also manufacture drugs which are manufactured in our Rajpipla plant. Basically, we don't manufacture vaccines here, we import it directly from Italy, and we have a state-of-the-art cold storage in Mumbai where we store these vaccines and we export, we send all these vaccines by courier to our customers so that the cold chain is absolutely maintained. Yeah, these vaccines basically are used for poultry for various viral and bacterial diseases. And we have got at present in India around 8 inactivated vaccines which are normally called as killed vaccines. And we have got some very specialized vaccines like IB Allvac, which is IB plus ND, which is especially used for preventing gout because it has got 2 nephropathogenic strains and 1 IB strain along with Lasota strain of Allvac. Then we also have a very unique vaccine for mycoplasma, which is a very dreadful disease in poultry. Mycoplasma causes a lot of economical losses. So we also have this very unique vaccine which is supplied to most of the breeders all over India. See, basically vaccines are used for prevention, not for treatment. Once the outbreak is there, we cannot treat those with vaccines. These are preventive measures, and in India especially there are a lot of issues which contribute to the outbreak of disease. Vaccines alone cannot help. We should have very good biosecurity measures also. For vaccines, we have got our R&D center in Milan, Italy, where these people are supplying vaccines to almost 60 countries all over the world. This is our 5th year of participation. In fact, I would like to tell you, we are the first pharmaceutical company to participate in India when this was launched, when this exhibition was launched in the first year. And that time there was no other pharmaceutical company in this exhibition because people thought that it will be a equipment company exhibition, which they mistook, and after seeing our participation, our response, most of the pharmaceutical companies also started participating. Excellent response, no doubt about it. We are growing by 40% every year, which is a phenomenal growth in this kind of industry. Thank you very much.